going to cover a topic of the chapter practical geometry, that is chapter number 10. So the topic is 10.7, that is constructing a right angle triangle when the length of one leg and its hypotenuse are given. That is called RHS criteria. So looking at the example number 4 which is given in the book. So in the example number 4, what they are saying? They are saying that construct a triangle LMN. Okay, so we are drawing a rough sketch of a right angle triangle LMN. So this is the rough sketch of the triangle LMN. Okay, before writing LMN, we should see which angle is a right angle. So here it is given right angle at N. So it is L, M, N, right angle at N. Now, what else they have given? They have given that Ln is equal to 5 centimeter. So this is equal to 5 centimeter, and they have given Mn is equal to 3 centimeter. Is equal to 3 centimeter. Now, how to construct it? So look here very carefully. The first thing is we'll take the base here which is equal to Mn. So we'll take this is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. So we are taking this as 3 centimeter. So suppose this is our line Mn which is equal to 3 centimeter. Now we have to construct an angle of 90 degree, or we have to draw an angle of 90 degree at point M. So how to construct angle of 90 degree? This we all know. So taking M as the center, cutting an arc of any radius. Now taking, so this arc is intersecting the line M and at suppose this is point A. Now taking A as the center, cut an arc. So this point of intersection is B. Taking B as the center, cut again an arc. So this point of intersection is C. So now taking B and C as a center, will cut an arc in the upward direction. Taking B as a center first and C as a center. So this point of intersection, suppose we call it D. Now what to do? Now we'll draw a perpendicular. Yes, you can see now we are getting perpendicular. So we are drawing a ray MX. Okay, MX which is passing through the point D. Point D. Now, according to question, it should be that Ln should be 5 centimeters. So it means we have to take n is equal to, from n we will take a radius of 5 centimeters. So we are taking a radius of 5 centimeter. Yes. So now after taking a radius of 5 centimeters, so look here, taking n as a center, then cutting this one. Okay, then cutting this, the perpendicular. So this distance is equal to 5 centimeter. Now this point of intersection is point L. What to do now? We'll join Ln. Join Ln. So it means when we join Ln, we are getting the required triangle LMN, which is 90 degree at M, where M is equal to 3 centimeter and N is equal to 5 centimeter. So in this way, we can easily construct a right angle triangle in which the right angle is given, and what else is given? Along the right angle, yes, one of the base is given and the hypotenuse is given. Okay, now we'll start the exercise 10.5. So looking at the very first question of the exercise 10.5. Okay. So now in the exercise 10.5, question number 1. Now question number 1 is construct a right angle triangle PQR where measurement of angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So PQR. So this angle is 90 degree. Now then they are saying QR is equal to 8 centimeter. So this is equal to 8 centimeter, and then PR is equal to 10 centimeter. So again, and right angle triangle base is given and the hypotenuse is given. So again, the steps will be same as we have done the example. So first we'll take a line segment QR is equal to 8 centimeter. So we are taking a line segment QR is equal to 8 centimeter. So this is Q, this is R equals to 8 centimeter. Now at Q we have to make an angle of 90 degree, or at Q we will draw perpendicular. So how to draw the perpendicular? So taking Q as a center, then cutting an arc of any radius. So intersecting this line QR at suppose this point A, then taking A as a center, cutting an R with the same radius. So this point of intersection is B. Then taking B as a center, cut an R. So this is point C. Now taking B and C as a center, again cut an arc with the same radius in the upward direction. So this point of intersection is here marking as D. Now again we'll draw perpendicular. Yes. QX which is passing through. Okay, this is Q, we are taking this as X passing through point D. Now, according to the question, PR is equal to 10 centimeter. So, with the help of the compass and the ruler, we'll take a radius equals to 10 centimeter. Okay, I am just taking the double so that's visible to you. Otherwise, the figure going to be very small. Okay, so cutting this perpendicular. So, this point of intersection of this arc and the perpendicular, this is the required point P. Now, next thing is what we are going to do, we'll join this PR. We'll join this PR. So now this is the required triangle PQR, where angle Q is equal to 90 degree, QR is equal to 8 centimeter and PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so almost we have the same kind of steps in all the questions related with the exercise. Now moving towards the question number 2. So question number 2 says, construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter. So construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter long and one of its legs is 4 centimeter. Okay. So suppose if we have the same figure, okay, we can using the same one. So this is equals to, so hypotenuse is equals to 6 centimeter. And this is equal to 4 centimeter and this angle is equal to 90 degree. So now we have to construct this triangle. Okay, so we can take any triangle like PQR, we can take XYZ, we can take ABC. That is up to your choice. Now, so starting with the base. So base is given here 4 centimeter, right? So now this is question number 2. So base is here 4 centimeter. So we are taking base here. Okay. So this is base, that is QR, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Now at Q we have to draw perpendicular. So how to draw the perpendicular? So taking again Q as a, yes, taking Q as a center, cut an arc of any radius. Cut an arc of any radius. Now which is intersecting this QR at point A, taking A as a center, cut an arc on this previous arc. This point of intersection is B, then taking B as a center, cut an arc intersecting at point C. Now taking B and C as center, cut an arc in the upward direction. Okay, so now suppose this is point D. Now we'll draw this perpendicular. Okay, so this is supposed to be X. Now here QX is a ray which is perpendicular at point Q. So this is 90 degree. Now PR is equal to 6 centimeter. So what we have to do, with the help of the compass and the ruler, we take a radius equal to 6 centimeter and then taking R as a center. Taking R as a center, we cut a radius which is 6 centimeter on this perpendicular. So now this point of intersection of both, this is equals, this is point P. This is point P. Now we'll join PR. We'll join PR. Okay, this now PR is equals to 6 centimeter. So this is the required right angle triangle PQR, where this angle Q is 90 degree, QR is equal to 4 centimeter, and PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. So now moving towards the third question. So the question number 3: construct an isosceles triangle, right triangle ABC. Okay, question number 3. So construct an right angle isosceles triangle. Okay. Okay. Triangle which ABC, right angle at C. So we'll write here ACB. This is given 90 degree. Now they are saying that equal sides. So AC is equals to 6 centimeter. So if this is an isosceles triangle, then AC should be equals to CB. So this is also equals to 6 centimeter. So we write here AC is equals to CB or BC is equals to 6 centimeter, because hypotenuse is a greater side, so only these two sides can be the equal side. So it means we'll start with the base BC, which is equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, so we are taking a 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is the side CP equals to 6 centimeter. Now the next step is we'll draw a right angle at point C. So how to draw? So the procedure is same. Taking the compass, so taking the radius with any length. So cutting an arc with the radius of any length, intersecting CB at point. So this is point E. Now taking E as a center, cut an arc with the same radius. So this point of intersection, this is point F. Now taking F as a center, cutting an arc. So now this point of intersection is G. Now taking this G and F. Taking this G and F as a center. Cut an arc in the upper direction. So the point of intersection both are, we are marking them at H. Now what to do? The next step is we'll draw perpendicular from C. So we'll draw perpendicular from C. Okay. So there is a difference in the arc. Okay. So now we are drawing this angle. This is equals to 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. This point H, let this be. Suppose we are assuming this as X. Now what should next do? Now it is, we can see clearly here that CB is equals to 6 centimeter. So this length of the other side should be 6. So we are taking this as the radius. So cutting an arc from C, taking C as the center on the ray CX. So this point of intersection, this is a required point A. Now the next step is join AB. Join AB. So now this is a required triangle ABC. In this CB is equals to 6 centimeter, AB is equals to 6 centimeter. So this is an isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of this exercise 10.5. Okay, so thank you very much.